I'd like to show you a tool used in the axle alignment process of both semi-trailers and large heavy-duty trucks. It's from Axletrac Alignment Tools and it's called an Axle End Extender. It's a precision-made, durable, extremely accurate tool that attaches to wheel studs of a hub-piloted axle hub in just seconds. Installed, the tool looks like this. Uninstalled, the tool looks like this. These are called extension tubes, and there are 4 of them, 2 for each side of the axle being aligned. It's made of heavy wall steel tubing and has internal threads 3/4 of an inch deep. To install these, you simply screw them on to 2 wheel studs, preferably at the 12 o'clock and the 6 o'clock wheel position. When you install them, one of 2 things will happen. They'll either snug down against a lug nut, or on longer studs with more exposed threads, the tubes will simply run out of threads, bottom out, and become snug. It's extremely important to tighten these tubes all the way down until they become hand-tight snug. Once you do this, back them off about 1/4 of a turn. That puts them in a neutral position and makes it easier to install the span bar. The span bar is also a precision-made tool held to close tolerances, and it's necessary to put a thin layer of grease around these alignment pins to make it easier to install into the extension tubes. So you simply slide it in, re-snug the extension tubes, and this has become one unit, solid as a rock, self-centered over the axle, and we've extended the axle end to a point beyond the edge of the tires. Some of you that have used other types of these devices probably realize that there was no need to remove or reinstall the hubcap or any hubcap attachments such as tire inflation systems or hub odometers. So we've installed the tool and we're ready to take measurements. In this case, from the kingpin of the trailer, or from axle to axle. And we've installed the second set of the Axletrac alignment tools to make this faster, easier, and more accurate. Thank you for watching this video. Please visit our entire website to better understand the Axletrac alignment tool and to see some other alignment accessories that we offer. Thank you.